Mama had a puzzle, 1,000,000 pieces long, meant to fit in a triangle or square or rectangle or something. She worked on it forever, it seemed. It took years. It was a dream. She used to stay up all night long, drinking coffee, and working on the puzzle by candlelight. No one could drag her away. What was the picture of the puzzle, you may wonder? It was a picture of the whole entire universe. He sticks together all the Webb telescope photos of the universe and made a 1,000,000-piece puzzle out of it. There were teams working on the puzzle around the world, but they only printed up 99 of these puzzles. And April won them in a lottery, a puzzle lottery. And the news crew would come over and photograph the update of April and then the other teams in Australia, Africa, Russia, Europe, China. And they all had a Zoom meeting every 30 days and talk to each other about their loyalty and dedication to the 1,000,000-piece puzzle. Everybody was going to celebrate when the first puzzle was completed. Many people died while working on it from dehydration, from lack of food. Family and friends left them. Even their pets up and died due to lack of attention.
That's the worst song I ever heard.
I'll stop on that wonderful comment from April.